You've probably done this before. You see a girl on Instagram, you think she's attractive, you open her profile, type, "Hey," delete it, type, "Hey, how are you?" and then spend the next 5 minutes trying to figure out what the hell you're supposed to say. And if you finally send something and she leaves you on scene, you immediately think, well, I guess she wasn't interested. But here's the thing, sometimes she wasn't, and sometimes your message simply gave her nothing to respond to. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to DM a girl on Instagram without looking desperate, boring, or like every other guy sitting in her requests. First, forget the idea that there's some magical opening line that works on every woman. There isn't. The best opener isn't the cleverest one. It's the one that makes sense in the situation. Think about what happens when a woman gets messages like, "Hey beautiful," "Hi," "What's up?" or "Damn, you're gorgeous." If she's attractive, she's probably seen those messages 100 times. So why would yours stand out? Instead, give her something real to respond to. Look at her story. Look at her profile. Find something that actually gives you a conversation. Maybe she posted a restaurant. Don't just say, "You look amazing." Say, "Okay, be honest. Is that place actually worth the hype?" If she posted a vacation photo, ask, "Would you actually go back there? Or was it better in the pictures?" Now you're not trying to impress her. You're giving her an easy reason to talk to you. And this is the biggest mindset shift. Your first DM is not supposed to make her fall in love with you. It's simply supposed to open the door. Now, what if you've never met her? She randomly appeared on your Explore page, you have no mutual friends, and you have absolutely no context. Keep it light. You could say something like, "Instagram randomly put your profile in front of me, so I'm blaming the algorithm for this message." It's honest, playful, and it doesn't pretend you have some elaborate reason for messaging her. But there's one rule here. If she doesn't respond, leave it alone. Don't send "hello" 3 hours later. Don't send a second compliment. And definitely don't ask why she's ignoring you. A confident guy can shoot his shot without needing to force the outcome. Now let's say she does respond. This is where a lot of guys completely destroy their chances. They turn the conversation into an interview. Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? What do you like to do for fun? One question after another. Suddenly she feels like she's filling out a dating application. Instead, actually react to what she says. If she tells you she loves New York because there's always something happening, don't immediately ask another question. Say something like, "Exactly. Although I'm convinced half the people there are just walking around pretending they know where they're going." Now she can laugh, disagree, or build on it. That's a conversation. And please don't spend 3 weeks texting her before asking her out. Your goal isn't to become her favorite pen pal. If the conversation is flowing and you're both clearly enjoying it, eventually move it into real life. If you're talking about coffee and she mentions a place she loves, you can simply say, "You clearly have better coffee opinions than I do. We should grab one sometime." That's it. No giant speech. No, "I feel like we have such a deep connection." Just a simple invitation. And here's something most guys forget. She's not only judging your DM, she can click your profile. So before you message her, make sure your Instagram actually represents you. If your profile is 10 blurry selfies, random screenshots, and pictures from 5 years ago, your message has to do all the work. But if your profile naturally shows your personality, your interests, your friends, your hobbies, and that you actually have a life, the conversation becomes much easier. So remember these 4 things. Don't send generic openers. Use context. Don't interview her. Have an actual conversation. Don't chase a response. And when the conversation is going well, don't live inside the DMs forever. Because the goal isn't to become the best texter in her Instagram requests. The goal is to start a genuine connection with someone you actually want to meet. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe, because we're going to keep breaking down the small things that make a huge difference in dating, confidence, and attraction. But before you leave, there's one more thing you need to fix, because you can send the perfect DM, get the reply, set up the date, and still lose her interest the moment she sees you in person. Your grooming. I made a video called 7 Grooming Habits Women Notice Instantly, and these aren't complicated routines that require hundreds of dollars. They're 7 simple things that can make you look cleaner, sharper, and far more put together. And the last one is something most guys completely overlook. So if you want the DM to work, make sure the guy behind the DM is worth meeting. Click that video.